How do you feel that sorry you'll be going away from Sincere College? Hmm? Don't cry. So, what about you? So, how was your experience with Sarian?
We don't know how to explain.
What about you? Let me talk to our seniors more. Okay, how do you feel your experience with Sarian?
Amazing. He was very fun. He never treated always used to treat for the student equally.
Yeah, tip. So, how was your experience with Sarian?
It was good. It was good.
This is for you. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Okay, welcome sir. Good morning everyone. To a very short, it's like appreciation program for us, right? And we have Surveyor here. Who will be taking another step of his journey. And we as a department, we are very grateful that we have spent more than a year, right? It's almost 2 years with us, and he has helped us in many ways. And so for this, in these short programs, I would like to welcome everybody. I would like to welcome especially Sir for spending your time with us. Okay, we do not have much time, but maybe today is the last day for you to discuss. And not the last day, you may come anytime. I might call you for some help. You can come here and be with the students and help our department. Okay, so first, we do not have so many things to give you. Our students are prepared a little bit of appreciation for you. I think you have met them already personally. And as a department, we want to gather together to wish you good luck in your journey as you are taking another step in your life. And so I would like to request one of the students from the department to give appreciation words to Sir.
Good morning, respected teachers, and to all present here. A truly amazing teacher is really hard to find with an impossible to forget. You are a biggest scandal who like a light sun. Today, it is a moment filled with gratitude, memories, and emotion that words hardly capture. As I stand here, I realize that goodbyes are never easy, especially when they are for someone who has made such a lasting impact for us. Sir, you were never just a teacher to us. You were our guide when we were confused, our motivation when we feel like giving up, and our strength when we doubt ourselves. You saw light in us even on days when we feel surrounded by darkness. Your patience shaped us, your encouragement lifted us, and your belief in us changed us. You remind us that failure is not the end, but stepping stone to grow. The first thing that we're gonna miss your class, it comes to our minds. It's not just listen or notes. It's your stories, sharing, your encouraging smile, your love, and sometimes your little jokes and funny. It makes us unforgettable, inspiring example. Thank you, sir, for being a teacher who never compared us to others and never show partiality. You make each of us feel valued, respected, and important in our own unique way. Because of you, sir, We learn to believe in ourselves instead of competing with one another but hard work. You treated us equally, encouraging us fairly, and supported us wholeheartedly. That fairness built not only our confidence, but also our trust and love for you, sir. We will always remember the way you make every student feel seen and appreciated. Thank you, sir, for your kindness, your guidance, your passion, and your beautiful heart you show us. Although it brings joy to us and to see you live, we know that your legacy lives on in this every one of us. As you move on from this institution, you live in us the peace of your heart here and taking a piece of art with you. Sometimes we make a mistake, we feel sorry to do so. We wish you nothing but happiness, peace, health, success, love, and the same joy you brought to us. Thank you, sir, for everything, and we will miss you dearly, sir.
Okay, thank you, Shibun, for the words of gratitude towards Saroya. As I go back to the first day when Saroya came, it reminds me of this quotation. To the one who didn't trust, just teach us a subject, but taught us how to think, how to grow, and how to believe in ourselves. Saroya has given a lot of inspiration towards not just the department, but also to the teachers. This is the gift that our department has prepared for you, sir. We are all there. We are all there. I hope you will like it. So before we proceed ahead with our program, I would like to request Saroya to give a few words about your experience here in the department, and also to give a words of, it's like an advice for your students. Can you take the time, sir?
Okay, as I said, I was not trying to be emotional because why everything has to be it has an end. Whatever we start, there is always an ending. So I believe this is the end for me, and this is the end for our story. But it doesn't mean that the relationship should end. Okay, it will always has to be continued. I mean, if you need anything, you have you need any advice, if you need anything, any sort of personal, maybe studies related, anything you can contact. I'm always there. Throughout my journey here, I'm truly blessed that I was able to teach you all such a wonderful group of students. I really, truly, deeply appreciate the kind of behavior you have shown towards me. I will never forget that you are such very, very good, bunch of students. How can I forget that? I can never. Okay, going away from here, as I stand here today, giving my last speech to you, I just wish you all the very best for the future. And like I said, I'm the type of person who never wanted to hurt anybody. Okay, but there are some mistakes that as human beings we make. But if there is anything you can recall, the kind of mistakes that we can recall, I truly did not mean it. Okay, in that way. I mean, intentionally, no. I never meant to hurt anybody intentionally. Maybe by unintentional I did, because we are not perfect. You are not perfect. I am not perfect. Okay? So only Mr. Ricky is a very good teacher, and working with him has truly, made me the kind of person who would look at the world from the other side, professional. Okay. So, you still have some more time to spend there. What you have to do is have to study hard. That's my only advice. And he tips me. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. In the department, we have two phases. One who has got very emotional and one who never gets emotions. Surreal is the one that usually gets so emotional. And Sariki will never get. Whatever may be, I never get emotions. Okay, and this is the rare things about me. And we will miss you. Okay, we will miss you. Whatever. The students will miss you, the department will miss you. I don't know how much you will miss us, but we will miss you. The classroom will miss you, in fact. Okay, so I have just prepared a few lines about what I want to say to Saril. It's a word of appreciation from the department. Okay, and this is from my side as a teacher. I am actually, inspired by the words, by the teaching you give to the students, particularly to the department. This is really inspiring, and thank you for the inspiration, the dedication, and the love towards the students. They are all growing up now. It's because of your love, your dedication, and your inspirations, right? You know how to behave. You know how to behave, it is because of your love. And then, your kindness and your passion towards the department is actually beyond my imagination. I never thought like we will have such kind of department that, that have a lot of respect. Okay? That have a lot of respect. I know students respect you a lot, and I know they learn from you. That is why we are here right now. Otherwise, if we do not have that respect, I don't think students will be here. Right? And so they have learned it from you. This is because you have shown to them. And you have made a difference. And I could see that as the head of the department. I am very grateful for the dedication. Your friendly environment. Students will not cry in your class, right? They are always laughing, smiling when you take class. Right? I saw the video yesterday, I was so shocked. I was so shocked, you came in my class and they were actually very friendly with you, right? With me they are different, I don't know why. With me they are totally different. This is the friendly environment that you created in the class. It's not a part of just learning about the course, learning about the topics, Semesters will just come and go, but the friendly environment that you kept, it will remain in their hearts. Okay? Then, your guidance has been the greatest strength to the students. You have been guided a lot. You have supported them a lot. When they face some kind of challenge in their life, there are many challenges that students face. You are the one who guides actually. Nobody comes to me and says, right, it's this. But to you, they come with a good heart. But this could be the reasons, that we are out here. Okay? And then, thank you for making the class of sociology something that I actually look forward to. And we will not get another surreal, right? How many of you agree with me? But we will not get another surreal. Then, I hope you will greet another royal to them. We will expect Bala will be the next, I think. So, I'm thankful for whatever you have done for the department, and as a department, we are very grateful to you and your work that you have done for us. Thank you. We have the fifth semester. They want to say words of gratitude to you, especially for all the support that you have given, all the guidance that you have given. They want to say a few words to you. Please listen to them.
We wish you congratulations for your new job.
I have prepared a gift for you. And the only photo that we have with our senior Ruby Paul is his favorite photo. So let me open. I think you won't mind. We will open, right? And this is the the frame I have prepared. And you have a lot of frames already. I would like to present this gift to your beloved teacher. It's me, Robipo, and Sorodial. We are the men, And this image, it has a lot of meaning inside. Okay, Robipo is the only your seniors is alone, but we are able to, he is able to make his journey in sincereness. It is through the support of Sorodial as well. Okay, so I would like to present this gift to you. Okay, so thank you everyone for being with us. Okay, we thank the cameraman who is with us from Sociology Department. We can do now the conversation outside.
Please don't take it so personal.
We shall proceed.